What if a digital sculpture came to us, not in the future, but now? What if an interactive installation was displayed, not in the virtual, but reality? Unique digital fabrication techniques enable the creation of incredibly precise curvatures and surface angles. 3,500 independently programmable LEDs, each with 100,000 data channels, empowers the sculpture to have innumerable lighting effects. Using sound data sensors, it interacts with the environment. The sound of raining, the sound of traffic, the sound of music. It initiates a new era of sculpture. This is a digital sculpture.